Hey everyone, in this video we are continuing with Unit 7a and we are on topic 3, and this is called power to a power. And the reason it's called power to a power is because if you look at the example, the first one we have an exponent, 5 to the 4th power, and then that entire thing is raised to another exponent. So we essentially have two exponents, the 4th power and the 2nd power. The easiest way to think about these two exponents is to look inside the parentheses first. We are always taught to do what's inside parentheses first. So in the parentheses I have 5 to the 4th power. This 2 means that whatever is inside the parentheses I have to write 2 times. So I'm going to treat 5 to the 4th like a little stamp, and I'm going to stamp it 2 times. 5 to the 4th, 5 to the 4th. And now there's one more step we're going to do. 5 to the 4th, what that means is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And then what this 5 to the 4th means is another 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Now we count all these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we get 5 to the 8th power. Now some of you guys might have noticed that you might be able to do this in your head. 5 to the 4th is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. You can keep track of that in your head. And then add this other 5 to the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump to 8. And we're going to do that with the next one. Alright, with the next example. This time, what's inside the parentheses is x cubed. So I'm going to treat x cubed almost like a stamp, and I'm going to stamp it 4 times. X cubed, x cubed, x cubed, x cubed. And I know that these are all multiplied together. Now I just keep track of these. So I'm going to count these as I go. I have 3 x's plus 3 more plus 3 more plus 3 more. So that's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And that gives me in total 12 x's. So you see I skipped this step right here because I could do that in my head. Alright. Next one, now I have 2 sets of parentheses. First set I have x cubed, and that is written 2 times. So I'm going to write x cubed and another x cubed. Second set of parentheses I have x squared, and that's written 4 times. So I'm going to write x squared, x squared, x squared, x squared. Alright, now I have to keep track of all of these x's, so let's count these up. 3 x's plus another 3. So it's 3 plus 3, that gives me 6. Now each of these is 2. So I have 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus another 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. I get x to the 14th power total. Alright, last one. I'll do my c's first. So c to the 5th power in parentheses is stamped 4 times. C to the 5th, C to the 5th, C to the 5th, C to the 5th. Now next set of parentheses, d cubed. D cubed is stamped 2 times. D cubed, D cubed. Alright, I got to keep track of how many I have total. In total I have 5 c's plus another 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20. I get c to the 20th power. Count up my d's. I have 3 plus another 3. That is 6 total. Final answer is c to the 20th power times d to the 6th power. Alright, you guys should practice this on your homework. I believe we are on homework 3. Alright, good luck.